not the real jung. I'm talking the jung of life. To be yourself, it's the heart. And we're not working on the heart. We're working on the physical self. We're working on the physical self. That is important. The sugar coating of the physicality when it comes to presentation. But what about the heart? The heart is damaged, the heart is crooked, the heart is wicked, the heart is dark. And Prophet ﷺ used to say, Inna fil jasadi muzghah, there's a part in the body. Iza salahat, if it is salih, if it is righteous, if the dynamics of human heart are taken care properly, its strengths and weaknesses, its education and exercises, its beliefs and perceptions, its highs and lows, if you know that, if the heart is fine, iza salahat salahal jasadu kullu. The entire body would work fine. It would respond back to him. For him to convince the world to respond back to him. For him to convince God to respond back to him. And for him to convince the resources and material to respond back to him. ये बात की कहानी है. लोग क्या कहेंगे? लोग तो रहेंगे हमेशा. We want the dark people to be. Because if the darkness is not there, how will the light actually function? Gets prominent. The problem is, Prophet ﷺ said, وَإِذَا فَسَدَ, if the heart is fasid, if this heart is fasid, the dynamic, what is the heart? It's not a blood pumping organ. It's a thinking box. It's a box full of feelings, desires, emotions, hope, anger, love, trust, conscious. And if it is solid, if it is strong, the body would be strong. It would function, it would respond. For you to pull a good job, for you to pull a good vision, जिंदगी में कुछ बड़ा खींचने के लिए resources चाहिए होते हैं भैया, और वो resources को convince करने के लिए एक दिल चाहिए होता है. This is where your heart takes you when you take yourself and your heart to a place. And the heart needs to be worked with two things. The first part is the part to do with education, learning, technique, ilm, irada, istidlal, jurisprudence, ponder, contemplation, going deeper into things, solving puzzles. And that is when you discover where yourself is damaging you. Because the first thing that will oppose you when you decide to say, I won't break the law, but I would definitely ask, am I following the right track or not? Are my values being taken from the right source or not? Have I trained my heart, my mind, my body in a way it should have been done for me to go in a battle of life to prove myself to myself whether I can pull it off or not? The first time you start dreaming, the first time you want to dream in reality rather than being in that fantasy island waiting for that prince to come with the shoe and tell you are the real Cinderella. The first time you take the most bitter pill in life to say, life is not easy, sweetheart, life is not easy, life is tough. इन्नका कादिहुन इला रब्बिका कदहन फमुलाकी. Allah says in Quran, हम जानते हैं ये बहुत सख्त है. I know, Allah himself says, I know life is tough, life is hard. It's gonna punch you down, it's gonna nail you down. Everybody will love you as long as you are a slave. Everybody will love you. सब चाहेंगे हाँ में हाँ मिला. You will stand up, you have to stand up because this is the last day. इससे ज़्यादा क्या करेगा? And one person is a universe in his own self. एक आदमी, एक ही होता है. एक ही खड़ा हो, एक ही चलता है, फिर काफिला चलता है उसके. मगर सबसे पहले अपने जिस्म को कन्विंस करना पड़ता है कि man, these legs won't help you. Oh, they can't carry the weight. They can't carry the weight of reality and they can't carry the weight of this belly you have. You need to be fit. You need to be physically fit, spiritually fit, emotionally fit to pull a job off. The first thing that would oppose you if you want to dream, the real question of life is, did I, at this stage, at this time, with the opportunities and limitations around me, from the universe, from the contemplation in the textbooks, what my teacher is giving me, what my friend, am I living a positive life of learning, putting things into the right places, solving the puzzles, and according to my age, the intellect and the geniosity I need to have, am I that genuine and sincere and committed to my work? आगे क्या वो बात की बात. Ask this to yourself. Did you by this age solve all the puzzles which you should have done by this age? By this age, people have had dynasties and kingdoms. What do you have right now? By your age, you should be a king. You should be having things in your hands. When you talk to a professional, don't come with garbage. Come with real life issues. Come with real life experiences. And that is where you get sold. The wallet of a rich man is dying to sign that CV and resume you have. You need to convince him. You need to convince him, buy me. If you won't buy me today to work for you, I'll buy your industry tomorrow. The one who works will be given by God. The one who follows principles will be given by God. And if you're not going to wake up early in the morning, and if you're not going to work on your psychology, and if you're not going to sit with a person you don't like, and if you're not going to respect your teachers, and if you're not going to work under your colleagues who is indifferent from you based on down because you think the world wasn't there for you. This was a trial and a test for you to strengthen up that this life is to be lived, but not in a fantasy island, but with a passion, but with the reality that you're going to find snakes and scorpions in it. Naysayers telling you you can't do it. So that if you have to be a leader one day, you need to know how pain comes, from where it comes, and how it comes, and how it's eradicated. You have to go through that childhood. It was necessary for you to go through that pain. Because وَإِذَا مَسَّ الْإِنسَانَ ضُرٌّ, Allah says in Quran, दर्द हम इसलिए देते ताकि इसका स्पिरिचुअलिज्म कॉन्शियसनेस जागे. दर्द इसलिए नहीं दी थी कि ये उसके बाद जलसे लगाना शुरू कर दे, या ये उसके बाद भागने दौड़ने शुरू कर दे, या ये योग होना शुरू कर दे, या ये लोगों की अटेंशन सीख करना शुरू कर दे. दर्द इसलिए दिया था so that you face the reality that tomorrow if you're going to stand up for yourself, things will not work according to you. What you think, what you plan. You have to convince the bull. You have to convince the bull to come under you. That is the time, and the bull will never come under your control. And the biggest and the most wickedest bull you're going to face is your own self. A self without a skill might survive, but a skill without a strong self, without a strong inner perception, a mindset, exercises done to train his heart to deal in situations is going to definitely fall down.